Then you say, well, how do you handle sliding doors? Well, Innovative Glass has invented and developed what we call our PowerTrack. Our PowerTrack is a device that allows us to have our glass on a sliding door. This is an example over here of where a PowerTrack would be used. So these are sliding breakaway doors that are used in a hospital, and these doors here all have to have electricity to go down to them. So in order to be able to have the power transfer to one another, what we have is our PowerTrack. And the PowerTrack basically mounts up in the headrail of the door itself, and then this attaches to the door, and as the door opens and closes, the power gets transferred to the door. So you can see here, there's a very, very clean, simple system. We could actually use these on a 30-foot telescopic door, which is great in hotels, in restaurants, and so on like that, where you could have basically 6 doors, each one of them opening, opening, opening. You don't see any wires. That's pretty amazing. The old way of doing it is having coiled wires and chains and things like that. Well, we've done away with all of that. We're the leader in this PowerTrack transfer system, which is a patented system of ours. In addition to the PowerTrack being available like that, by the way, these are all custom made to the particular sizes of the doors. And the PowerTrack itself has different mounting configurations. This is a right angle configuration. This is a straight configuration. Here's a right angle going 90 one way. Here's another way. And the PowerTrack is available in different colors: white, gray, black, and bronze. So this way it'll fit into any type of storefront system for wherever it's going to be exposed. Let's go over to the other side. I'll show you some real applications.